Welcome back to Prime Picks USA, where we bring you honest reviews of the best products available on Amazon. Today, we are checking out the top 5 best rice cookers that make cooking rice easy, consistent, and hassle-free. These rice cookers offer features like multiple cooking modes, keep warm functions, and easy cleanup for everyday home cooking. Let us get started. We have included links in the description. Number 1. Toshiba Origin Taste Rice Cooker 5.5 Cup Uncooked, Fuzzy Logic, 15-in-1 functions, digital display, delay timer, keep warm, non-stick inner pot, white. The Toshiba Origin Taste Rice Cooker is designed to deliver consistent and precise cooking results through advanced fuzzy logic technology. This system automatically adjusts cooking time and temperature based on the type and quantity of rice, helping achieve evenly cooked grains with improved texture and flavor. With a 5.5 cup uncooked capacity, it is well suited for small to medium-sized households. This rice cooker offers 15 cooking functions, allowing it to handle white rice, brown rice, mixed rice, porridge, oatmeal, quinoa, steaming, slow cooking, and more. The versatility makes it useful beyond basic rice preparation. Each cooking mode is optimized to deliver reliable results without constant monitoring. The digital display is clear and easy to read, making it simple to select cooking modes and monitor progress. The delay timer allows meals to be scheduled in advance, which is helpful for busy routines. The automatic keep warm function maintains serving temperature without overcooking or drying out food. The non-stick inner pot is designed for even heat distribution and easy cleanup. Food releases easily after cooking, reducing the need for scrubbing. The pot is also durable and designed to withstand frequent use. Measurement markings inside the pot help ensure accurate water and ingredient ratios. Number 2. Chef IQ Smart Pressure Cooker with Wi-Fi and built-in scale. Easy to use 10-in-1 multi-cooker with 500 plus guided recipes. A rice cooker, slow cooker, instant meals for foodies, 6-quart family size. The Chef IQ Smart Pressure Cooker is designed to simplify cooking through smart technology and automation. This 6-quart multi-cooker is built for family-sized meals and offers 10 cooking functions, including pressure cooking, slow cooking, rice cooking, sautéing, steaming, and more. The wide range of functions allows it to replace several kitchen appliances. One of its standout features is the built-in scale, which measures ingredients directly in the pot. This helps ensure accurate portions and removes the need for separate measuring tools. The cooker connects to Wi-Fi and works with a companion app that provides access to over 500 guided recipes. Step-by-step instructions adjust cooking times and settings automatically. The Smart App integration allows users to control cooking remotely, monitor progress, and receive alerts. This feature is useful for multitasking and busy schedules. Recipes are designed for both beginners and experienced cooks, making meal preparation more accessible. Pressure cooking performance is efficient, reducing cooking times while maintaining flavor and moisture. Safety features include multiple pressure release systems and automatic temperature control, ensuring safe operation during use. The lid locks securely during pressure cooking for added protection. Overall, the Chef IQ Smart Pressure Cooker delivers convenience, precision, and versatility. It is a strong choice for users who want guided cooking, smart features, and a powerful multi-cooker that supports a wide range of meals. Number 3. Kosori Rice Cooker 10 Cup, 24H Keep Warm, Non-Stick Ceramic Inner Pot, 18 Functions Fuzzy Logic Rice Maker with Stainless Steel Steamer Basket, Sauté, Slow Cooker, Black. The Kosori 10 Cup Rice Cooker is designed for households that want large capacity cooking combined with precision and versatility. With a 10 cup uncooked capacity, it can prepare meals for families, meal prep routines, or gatherings. Fuzzy Logic technology automatically adjusts temperature and cooking time based on the type and quantity of ingredients, helping deliver consistent texture and flavor. This rice cooker offers 18 cooking functions, allowing it to handle white rice, brown rice, jasmine rice, porridge, quinoa, soup, slow cooking, sautéing, and steaming. The stainless steel steamer basket adds flexibility for preparing vegetables, seafood, or dumplings while rice cooks below. The non-stick ceramic inner pot is designed for even heat distribution and healthier cooking without chemical coatings. Food releases easily, making cleanup simple after use. The pot is durable and well suited for frequent cooking. A 24-hour keep warm function maintains food at serving temperature without drying it out. This feature is especially useful for busy households or flexible meal times. The digital control panel is clear and easy to navigate, allowing users to select cooking modes with minimal effort. Overall, the Kosori rice cooker combines large capacity, advanced cooking logic, and multi-function performance, making it a strong choice for users who want more than just a basic rice cooker. Number 4. Yum Asia Sakura Rice Cooker with Ceramic Bowl and Advanced Fuzzy Logic, 8 cup, 1.5 liter, 6 rice cook functions, 6 multi-cook functions, MoTouch LED display, 120V power, black and silver. The Yum Asia Sakura rice cooker is designed for users who prioritize rice quality and precise cooking control. With an 8-cup capacity and a 1.5-liter ceramic bowl, it is suitable for small to medium households. The ceramic inner bowl provides excellent heat retention and even cooking, helping produce fluffy and well-textured rice. Advanced Fuzzy Logic technology continuously monitors cooking conditions and adjusts heat levels throughout the process. This results in improved consistency across different rice varieties. The cooker includes 6 dedicated rice cooking functions optimized for white rice, brown rice, short grain, long grain, and specialty rice types. In addition to rice cooking, 6 multi-cook functions expand its versatility. These include slow cooking, steaming, porridge, soup, cake, and reheating. This makes the Sakura rice cooker useful for a wide range of meals beyond rice. The MoTouch LED display provides a modern and responsive control interface. Touch controls are smooth and intuitive, allowing easy selection of cooking programs. The display clearly shows remaining time and cooking status. The exterior design features a black and silver finish that gives the cooker a premium appearance. The compact footprint allows it to fit comfortably on most countertops. The lid and interior components are easy to clean after use. With stable performance, thoughtful design, and a focus on rice texture and flavor, the Yum Asia Sakura rice cooker is well suited for users who want consistent results and refined control over their cooking. Number 5. Kukumikam Rice Cooker 6-cup uncooked / 12-cup cooked, Korean Fuzzy Logic Rice Cooker with delay timer and keep warm setting, versatile food steamer with non-stick inner pot, silver, CR0632F. The Kukumikam rice cooker is built with Korean Fuzzy Logic technology that focuses on delivering precise and reliable rice cooking results. With a 6-cup uncooked capacity producing up to 12 cups cooked, it is ideal for small families or everyday use. The compact design balances capacity with efficient countertop space usage. Fuzzy Logic technology automatically adjusts temperature and timing throughout the cooking cycle. This helps ensure rice is evenly cooked with proper moisture and texture. The cooker supports multiple rice types, making it versatile for different preferences. The delay timer allows users to schedule cooking in advance, making meal planning more convenient. The automatic keep warm function maintains rice at a ready-to-serve temperature while preserving taste and texture. This is useful for flexible mealtimes or busy schedules. The non-stick inner pot is designed for even heat distribution and easy cleaning. Food releases smoothly after cooking, reducing effort during cleanup. The cooker also includes steaming capability, allowing vegetables or other foods to be prepared alongside rice. The control panel is simple and easy to operate, making it accessible for users of all experience levels. The silver exterior provides a clean and modern appearance that fits well in most kitchens. That wraps up our list of the top 5 best rice cookers here on Prime Picks USA. If any of these rice cookers caught your attention, we have included links in the description where you can check the latest price and details. Make sure to subscribe to Prime Picks USA for more honest product reviews and buying guides. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.